With this 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT, it has the heavy duty brake system on it. I'm going to be replacing the rear brakes on here. So the first thing I'm going to do is jack up the vehicle and then take off that wheel. The lug nuts take a 19mm socket. Okay, with the wheel removed, I found it easier just to take off the two caliper mounting bolts. These bolts are the original bolts, so they take a 13mm socket. I'm going to remove those. I'm going to try to remove the caliper with one hand. Now for the caliper piston requires a special tool with like this. These two notches, they go in there and you screw it in. Okay, with this tool here, the adapter I showed you in here, it pushes down and turns that caliper piston at the same time. So that's how you get these pistons set for the brake pads and rotors. You have to make sure these marks are pointed up and down on this caliper, because this is where the brake pad is a pin in the brake pad. It's going to sit right here. So next I'm going to remove the caliper bracket. Takes two 18mm socket. Socket is 18mm. Takes there's one, and there's two bolts off there. Okay, I'm removing the caliper bracket with the brake pads. Next, I'm gonna take off this rotor. clean off the hub. Okay, I got the new rotor in place. The new caliper brackets I'm going to install. Got these two bolts to take an 18mm socket. Just bolt this all together. Okay, I got the caliper bolted down. I installed the brake pad sliders. Now I'm going to install the brake pads. And then I'm going to grease these guide bolts with some, you probably have some grease on there, but I'm going to put some more grease on here just to make sure they don't seize up. Okay, now for the caliper installation. And I'm going to install new guide bolts. The new ones take a 14mm socket. So that's the whole process. I'm going to put the wheel on and then set the calipers by pumping the brake pedal till it gets really hard.